Hey guys, Dirk here with HD Motorsports. First day at SVRA at COTA, test day. Ginetta G57 LMP3, 991 Cup car, 997 Cup car, 2 drivers. Should be a good day. We've got good track. We're gonna have good track temps, nice cool air. So this is gonna be our real test for what we're gonna do with these cars for 2026 season. So stay tuned, see how this goes.
This is full service right here. It's only onboard issue. Hey, you tip well enough, I'm gonna reach it. Stop. Go. I heard you. Yeah, go. I heard you.
Is
there a button? Just a button I can push?
Yeah, there is.
It says anti.
You didn't see that on the dash? Oh, man.
Oh, they're doing some media coverage.
Hey,
Oh, it's those cars.
those are EXPs. Like, have you ever seen one of those? Like, no, I have not.
What are they?
They're 1,900 pounds and 500 horsepower prototypes. Open cockpit, complete open cockpit. No
It says
halo,
full
nothing.
Speed is downforce is 2,800.
So not as much as the current GT3 Cup car.
Yeah. Well, it's got a tiny little front wing, and
You need more fuel.
I do need more fuel. Correct.
So what do we put in? It's 10 gallons at a time?
We're doing 10 gallons at a time, and we're measuring each time so we can get a consistent fuel consumption reading.
We got our tapes.
That's pretty
Do you want to know your max speed? I was asking. Oh, I won't tell you if you don't want to know. It's 163.
Yeah. Front end wasn't doing this, I can go faster.
You know, we're gonna see if we can fix that.
Why does it smell like fish all of a sudden?
We're gonna pull the whole nose is going up. To your right there.
Ride height?
Is it the same way push rod stuff?
Yeah. No, I can get to him.
Yeah.
I can get to him. What's that? We'll see.
It's just the top pinchable.
Give it.
All right, guys. End of day one. I think this is day one. Feels like day four. Anyway, successful day on our end. Cup cars ran great. Ginetta's still fighting a few aero issues. Long day, good day. Made a lot of improvements in every direction, and we can't wait to start day two. Thanks.